Hi, my name is Tomi, and today we're making the sauna panels in my dream sauna. The whole of the inside is done, so I'm gonna show you how I did it. So take a look. So as you can see, the foil part is done at the moment. So everything is sealed up nicely, and I left a little room all the way down so the air can still move inside the walls from underneath at least. But everything up in the ceiling and so on is sealed up tight. But air can still move inside the wall. So the next step is putting up these lists on all the places, so we build a little gap between the sauna panel and the foil itself, as you don't want them touching each other, otherwise you won't get any circulation of air. There's so much stuff I need to really clean up here, and I can't find anything. Where did I put it? Oh, right here. This one. The sauna panels I'm using are these from spruce. They aren't that, they're quite small in size. Let's see. The whole thing is about 7 centimeters. Thickest part is about 5 centimeters. They will expand and move around. And the thicker the planks, the more it will move the screw holes and so on. So there is a risk that if you have too wide planks and it keeps moving, it will break off the attachment points you have put in the wood. And I will be trying to attach them with these clamps, or I'm not really sure what they're called. These tiny little attachments. You put the wood up, and with these underneath it will be holding the wood in place. And then you can just put the next board on and so on. So they will use small spikes to attach them. And I've never used these before without any visible holes in the wood itself. So I think it will look. And also when it's attached on these, the wood will have the possibility to move front and back when the wood expands. And let's see if those work. try to do it without the holes. I got some more tape so I can cover it up.